What does a big tech company's codebase actually look like? Today, we'll be going over some coding constructs and I'll tell you if they're actually used in production or not so you can get a feel of what the codebase will look like. Coming in at number one, we got the switch statement. Now, if you work on enough repositories, you will see a switch statement somewhere. Just like the if statement, this is heavily used in production and holds a lot of important logic. Although this is cleaner than writing a bunch of if-else statements, which makes this more arguably used and preferred in production because usually there is a lot of different scenarios to consider. Now, moving on to number two, we got the array data structure. Now, this is one of the most used data structures in production, and you will see a lot of this when you're coding. I've had to create several arrays throughout my career, especially when it comes to unit testing. Next up, we got the while loop. This is fairly used. I wouldn't say it's really popular, but I have come across a couple of while loops, definitely more than a actual for loop. All right, constant variables. These are also very heavily used. You will rarely see someone write a variable that could be variable. They are usually constants or enums. There are several reasons for this, including predictability, that is knowing what the value of the variable is going to be, and also to prevent any accidental reassigning which could lead to bugs. We also use constants to avoid any magic values such as this right here. Instead of having the string error by itself, you'll just store it into this constant and then check the value here. And lastly, we have print statements, which are almost never used in production. Although it's totally fine to use print statements in local development for debugging purposes, when it's time to publish your code review, you are not going to have that in there. Instead, we use actual structured logging systems such as Log4j. I hope you learned something new today, and if you did, save this video for later and follow for more.